context engineering. This is all about knowing what the original task is, knowing what content has been searched through so far, and knowing how the content that was searched through before relates to the task, knowing current state of answer generation. This is dynamic. For the first one, the task itself doesn't change because it's like the user submits a task and then you go and perform the task for an arbitrary amount of time. So the task never changes. The task, it's always fixed in the context. But this changes. It doesn't change because what we have searched. But as you search more and more, you probably can relax the amount of tokens you reserve for this kind of knowledge so that it doesn't start bloating. And it's okay if you accidentally go and search for the same thing again. It's better than the other option where this thing just bloats and fills up your context window by a whole lot and so on. And also just knowing current state of answer generation. Again, there are no good frameworks to help you automate this yet. I think this is something better, best built internally. And for deep research, it's more figuring out what the effective context window that you are comfortable with, because that really relies on how accurate your results need to be. Because once you cross, let's say, 30,000 tokens, recall from the context is no longer at 100%. And you need to figure out, based on your application, what that limit that you are comfortable with is. If that limit is very long, then context engineering becomes a lot easier. But if that is really short, like 20 to 30,000, then there's a lot of finagling to be done. And all of this needs to be happening in an automated way. While this is happening, the context should dynamically change for the next reasoning step or for the next retrieval step. The context should contain exactly the things that it needs for doing that.